Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you receive this error on your Instagram, so here you can see it, we will try again once there is a better connection. So you just can't upload your post on your Instagram, so you just receive this error. So how you can fix it? So now for fixing it, first thing just go to the settings, and also if you're using Wi-Fi, just try to use cellular data, just turn off Wi-Fi and just use cellular data. Just turn on cellular data and just use cellular data for your Instagram. Also, you can try to use turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds, and just turn it off. So just restore your network connection, and also if you're using Wi-Fi, just try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. And if you still have this error, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. So mostly it helps. And also, this is the way how you can also try to fix it. And the latest option you can try, just go to App Store, and in the App Store just go to search tab and just write in search tab Instagram, and just check if you have available updates. So if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and just update your Instagram app and try to open and upload your post again. So I hope it will help you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.